Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to cover before class annotation and after class. So what is before class or use case? It's specific to a class level. So here is the difference. In our last two example, the before test or before suit, it was applied to an testing XML file level. But here before class is applied to a specific class level. So that's why if you see the name is called class, so it will apply to a class level and it will execute it only one time before any other method throughout that class. So wherever the class would be, you declare this before class method, it will execute at the first, compared to any other method on that specific class. That's it. And similarly, after class, it will execute at the end of that class. After all the method gets executed for that specific class, then after class will trigger. Okay, let's see an example. Let's go to our Eclipse and here. So let's see in our demo we have after suite. Okay, so demo one we have, okay, it's easy. Demo one, just only one test cases. Okay, so let me add one method over here. Okay, public void. So I would say before class method, and then here let's say sysout, and then I'll say I'll put it here. I will say before class will run only once at the beginning of the class level in class level. Okay, so whatever this method supposed to do, that's what I put it over here. So that is very meaningful, the use case. Okay, and let's give a annotation, add the annotation before class. Okay, and hover mouse, input the package. Okay, and then let's put the another method after that in this class level. So I would say this is after class, and then after class will run only once at the end of class level. Let's add the annotation at the red after class. Okay, after class, hover mouse, input the package. Okay, now this is only belongs to, so this before class and after class, as I said, is applied to your class level. So what's your class level? Demo one class. So the application of this this method will be limited to or scope to work on demo one class in this. So in this class, I have a test method. This is one test method. Okay, let me add another test method. Okay, so that we can see two. I'll say show one. Okay, test for showing product list, a test for showing all product list. Okay, so assume that, so I have a two test method. Okay, and then so within this two, in this class, as per the definition of before class annotation, this should be run first. This will execute first, then the test method, this test method show and show one will run, and after that, this after class annotation method will execute. So it will be only scope of work within this class. So that's why it's called, it's applied to a class level. Okay, not unlike other before suite or before test that's apply on TestNG XML level. Okay, let's see. Let me run it. Let's run it. Here we go. Let's go to the console. So we're expecting in demo one. So in demo one, we have a show and show one, this method. So test for showing product list. Where is the test for showing product list? Test for showing product list. Okay, test for showing product list. Another one, the test for showing all product list. This is the two method. So, before this two method, I'm expecting to run before class this method. So before class will run. You can see, before this two, this one get execute first. Before class will run only once at the beginning of class level. Then this two method, test method got to execute, and then we're expecting to run, this after class. You can see, after class will run only once at the end. You can see here after this, this is the one it's running. Okay, you can see, right? So that's the way, before class and after class works.